This is how you're able to provide privacy protection. You've seen synthetic data before in the form of the deep fakes. So all those images on the right-hand side here are fake people, and they were built from fitted models that were trained on images of real people. And then the model can generate fake people that have the same properties as real people. And as you can see, these images look very realistic, and they work quite well. And of course, there are fake videos and fake audio, etc. So you can create synthetic data in different forms. But for now, I'm just focused on synthetic structured data. As an example shown below is a synthetic clinical trial data set, for example. So the synthetic clinical trial data set looks very similar as a real data set would look, same patterns and same characteristics. And one of the questions that comes up is, do you have to know how the eventual data set will be used at the end in order to create a synthetic, to create a model or to create synthetic data? And the answer is generally no. These generative models or synthetic data generation models are sufficiently powerful that they capture a lot of the patterns in the data set. So you don't need to know the data uses in advance. The models capture a lot of the subtle patterns in the data set, so that when you perform your analytics on the eventual data, synthetic data, you're still able to replicate some of the able to replicate some of the patterns in the original data set quite well. And I'll show you some examples of that. So the next kind of evolution of application of synthetic data is simulators. So these models that we create, these generative models, or they're also called simulators, they can be put in a catalog or in an exchange or in a marketplace, and then you can provide access to the simulators to data consumers. So data consumers would then go in, search for simulators for the types of information or data sets they want, and then